Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize gestures on your headphones Redmi Buds 4 Pro. You have to start by open the application and go to gestures. Now let's work with a double tap. For the left one I prefer to use previous song, but you can also make the best one for you. You haven't a lot of options here, so yeah, previous song. And for the right one I prefer to use next song, to play next track. For the triple tap, for the left one I prefer to use volume down, and for the right one volume up. And for the press and hold we have only two options, noise cancelling and voice assistant. So for the left one I use voice assistant, and for the right one I just leave noise cancelling. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!